Becoming an iOS developer in just 30 days can be a challenging task, but with dedication and hard work, it is possible. Here are some steps you can take to start your journey as an iOS developer. 1. Learn the basics of Swift programming language. Swift is the primary language used for iOS development. You can start learning the basics of Swift from online resources like Apple's Swift documentation or online courses such as Udemy, Coursera, or Codecademy. 2. Install Xcode. Xcode is the integrated development environment, IDE, used for iOS app development. You can download it for free from the Mac App Store. 3. Get familiar with Xcode. Take some time to explore Xcode and its features. Familiarize yourself with its interface, tools, and functionalities. 4. Start building simple apps. Start with building some simple apps to get a better understanding of iOS development. Apple's official developer documentation provides many sample projects to learn from. 5. Learn about iOS frameworks. iOS has many frameworks, such as UIKit, Core Data, and Core Animation, that you'll need to become familiar with to develop iOS apps. 6. Attend workshops or webinars. Attend online workshops, webinars, or events to learn about new trends and technologies in iOS development. 7. Join iOS developer communities. Joining iOS developer communities like GitHub or Stack Overflow can help you learn from others and get your questions answered. 8. Build a portfolio. Build a portfolio of your projects and apps you've developed to showcase your skills to potential employers. Remember, becoming an iOS developer is a continuous learning process. It takes time, practice, and patience. Keep practicing, and you'll eventually develop your skills and become a proficient iOS developer.